तो हेलो, माय नेम इज़ पार्थ परिवन और अभी हम लोग करने वाले हैं हार्वर्ड एमआईटी मैथ्स टूर्नामेंट से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन जो कि अभी 2021 में रिसेंटली हुआ है। तो उसका एक क्वेश्चन अभी हम लोगों को मिला है, उस क्वेश्चन को अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन हमसे ये कह रहा है कि वी नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स ए बी where these a b's are real numbers lying in between the inequality restriction of 2 to 2021 such that they satisfy the below given expression of a to the power of log to the base b to the a to the power of minus 4 is equals to b to the power of log to the base a of b into a to the power of minus 3. We need to evaluate all the possible AB pairs within this inequality restriction being provided to us. This is the question which we need to solve. Okay, so now let us start solving this problem. First of all, we need to solve this. We need to solve this expression regarding logarithm. We need to first simplify, and we need to first show that what are the total uh, possible output that we can basically get from here. Okay, so let us first of all start that thing. Okay, so here as we can see that we are basically having a log of b into a to the power of minus 4. It is equals to b to the power of log of the base a multiplied with b into a to the power of minus 3. Okay, now as per the properties of logarithm, we can take this minus 4 component out from this expression. Okay, we can take this component out from the expression, and then uh, we can further simplify the whole expression which is basically being provided to us. So what we can do is here we can have this a, we can have this minus 4 out, and we can write this as log of b and a here like this. Okay, similarly here we can have log of a b plus log of a into a to the power of minus 3. Okay, minus 3 is basically in the power of this a. Okay, this is also the property of logarithm that whenever we are having any base which is greater than 0 and not equal to 1, we can simply take the product in the amplitude of the logarithm as the individual sum, the individual logarithm. Okay, now let us move ahead. Here what we can have from this, that we can have a to the power of minus 4 log b a. We can write this as b to the power of log a b, and we can take this minus 3 out, and we will basically going to left with log of base a to the vertex a. And here all we all know that when the base as well as the vertex are same, the value of this logarithm becomes 1. Okay, the value of this logarithm becomes 1 because in this case the base as well as the vertex, both of them are the same. Okay, so what we can do here, we can simply struck off this logarithm thing. Okay, and we can just have a minus 3 here, and we are good. Moving further, we can now write this as a to the power of minus 4 log of b to the power of a is equals to b to the power of log a b multiplied with 1 divided by b cube. Okay, now as we can see that now things are basically looking complicated. What we can do here is that we can basically substitute here the value of x as log a b. Okay, we can basically have this log a b here in this case. We can basically have this log ab in this case. Now we all know that when we basically interchange the base and the vertex, then this x basically becomes as 1 by x when we will basically going to interchange the base and the vertex of this logarithm. Means when this log ab will going to become log ba, then this x will basically going to become 1 by x. Okay, so putting these two expressions here, along with the fact that when x is equals to log a to the base a to the vertex b, we can write b as a to the power of x. Okay, now interposting all these three conditions on the above given expression, the things on which we will basically going to arrive. First of all, I need to shorten the screen here, and then I can basically proceed. Here I can have this expression with the help of this and this support, as I can I will not going to change a, I will going to let it the same as it is in the original case. I will going to have -4 log ba will basically going to become 1 by x. Okay, and it will be equal to b will basically going to become ax. Okay, and log ab is also there, multiplied with 1 divided by b cube. B is ax in, to the power 3. Okay, now whole expression is being turned to a the next, as we can see here. Okay, now what we can have is that we can have a to the power of -4 by x, which is equals to a to the power of x square multiplied with um, a to the power of -3x. Okay, or we can have a to the power of -4 divided by x. We can have a to the power of x square -3x. Okay, as it is given to us that a is in between 2 and 2021. From this inequality, we are clear that a will not going to be 1. So what we can do here is that we will basically going to take the exponent equality in this case. Okay, we will basically going to equate the exponent because the bases are equal and they are not equal to 1. Okay, now proceeding further in this case, uh, we will basically going to have -4 divided by x is equals to x square minus 3x. Okay, now moving further on, we're basically going to have -4 as x cube minus 3x square. Okay, so we can also write this expression as x cube minus 3x square plus 4 equals to 0. Now what we can do, we can factorize it out. We can write -3x square as -4x square plus x square plus 4 equals to 0. All right, now we can take x cube plus x square as a common term here. We will basically going to have x square into x plus 1. We will basically going to take -4 as common, and so basically going to become x square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, moving further on. Okay, simply we are basically doing the same things and all that. Okay, we can write it as x square minus 4 into, oh sorry, we can write it as x square into x plus 1 minus 4 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. It is basically going to be equal to 0. As we can see in these two expressions, we are basically having x plus 1 common, so we will basically going to take that all common out. We will basically going to have left with x square minus 4 into x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now as we can see that this is just x minus 2 whole square, so we can write it as x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 2 whole square. It is equals to 0. So the solutions, or the total possible solution which we have arrived in this case, are basically x is equals to -1 and 2. Okay, we all know that we have put basically x is equals to log of a to the power of b. Okay, and the total possible values of x that we're basically getting in this case is -1 and 2. So we will basically going to have the a relation in between a and b. Okay, when x is equals to -1, we can basically put it here. It's going to be ab, and when x is equals to 2, we'll basically going to put it like this, log ab. Okay, from this what we can get is that b is equals to 1 by a, and from here we will basically going to get that b is equals to a square. And we need to find the total possible pairs of AB under the condition that all of them are under to 2021. Now, when this inequality restriction is concerned, we cannot have any possible solution with the case of b is equals to 1 by a. Why? Because when b will going to be in between 2 and 2021, 1 by a will not going to be in between 2 and 2021. It will going to be in between 1 by 2 to 1 divided by 2021. Okay, so there cannot be any such combination of a and b such that simultaneously they both will going to have values in between 2 and 2021. B will always going to have value in this case in between 1 by 2 to 1 divided by 2021 if you will basically going to put the value of a in between 2 to 2021. So here we will not going to get any solutions. We can only get solutions when we will basically going to put b is equals to a square. Okay. So moving further, it is a extremely simple thing, right? Now, from this, we know that A is also in between 2021 and so do B is also in between. Sorry, this will going to be B is also in between 2021. And we all know that B is equals to A squared. So we can simply put it here, 2021. As we all know that a is only having positive values, so we will basically going to consider only positive square root of a square. Only we will basically going to consider the positive square root of this expression. Okay, so it will going to be 1.414 smaller than or equal to a, smaller than or equal to it will basically going to be 44.95. Okay, all right, so the total possible pairs of A and B that we can basically get from here, or we can imagine to get from here, will basically depend upon A and B. Okay, so when we will basically going to put A as 2, we will basically going to get B as 4. When we will basically going to get put A as 3, we will basically going to get a solution of 9. Okay, from this expression as we can basically see here. Okay, this will going to continue until and unless we will basically going to arrive at a value of a as 44. At 44, b will going to be 44 square. But when a is 45, the value of b will going to be more than 2021. It will going to be 2035. Okay, so only this much of solutions are there. From A starting at 2 and ending at 44. So these are the only possible solutions which we are basically having. So how many total pairs of AB are basically there in this expression? It is simple. We just need to subtract 44, 2 from 44 and add 1 because the first pair is first pair of 2 is also included. So the total amount of pairs will going to be 43 and 43 is the answer for this question. So according to me, as I'm also a Harvard class of 2025 student, this problem was presented to me from my professor. It was a nice and intermediate problem of algebra combined with inequality restrictions abilities in mathematics. So this question was good. If I say as a recommendation that how was the contest, it was also average. It was a nice collaboration with all the international students and all the exchange students which we are basically having and experiencing in Harvard. So this is all that I need to discuss about this problem. Okay. And I stop my